Okay, it was on manual video, now it's on, it was on automatic, now it's manual. I stopped it down a little bit. Its shutter is 800, we're at ISO 100, and I'm gonna go up and over. Here we go. We've got 70% only on the battery. I haven't used it. I don't know why it's only 70%. We've got some nice clouds going on there. And there you can see the top of the observatory. Let's swing down, sweet chariot. Oh, that's hard to do now. Oh, no, it's not. There we go. The swing down control. Have some proper framing there. There's the twin scopes. So I'm going to go up a little higher. In fact, I'll go straight over. If I can find the drone, I don't even see it. So I'm going to have to go up. It's probably straight over my head. I'm wearing this big old hat. Yeah, that's where it is, straight over my head. So okay, so I'm going to go over the actual observatory now. Have a look-see what that's all about. In fact, maybe I can do a droney or a circle kind of thing on the domes. Let me try that. So we'll go quick shot. I don't think it knows where home is, because it's definitely not going that way. So now you can land. Yeah, land. Now you can land, but you didn't go home. That's for sure. Okay. Move over. Keep your view of the observatory. Look out, come on, look out. There you go. Oh, it's very bright. Very bright, too much light. We're at 240 now. Somehow it flipped into automatic, I guess. Oh, there it is. Gee, I can't find this thing in the background noise of the trees. So there it is. But its shutter now is 2000, so it's fluctuating all over the place. I had it in manual mode, so let me shut the battery down.